Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One Meal a Day Modified. You can also check us out over on, yes, the Velvet Lounge Life. So I am having a working lunch dinner, one meal a day, because I don't eat breakfast. Today because I am going to be spoiling over on our other YouTube channel, the Outlander series for season 5. So these are the books from that series. I have my show notes that I'm going to be referencing because there's so much in that season, but that's coming up on Stars in the United States in February. So check us out over on our other YouTube channel if you want to get all the skinny on it. So, oh my God, yes, it's been a minute since I've posted a video. Sorry about that, on this channel. And part of that is, and you know me, I'm totally honest. We're unedited. It is what it is. I just felt like I was putting in so much effort, and there was just, did anyone even care? And then I was like, wait, why are you doing this? And initially I was doing it for myself, for the few people, and I do mean few, that wanted to know how I lost 48 pounds. Versus going through some lengthy explanation about what I eat and, what I thought about health and this and that, whatever. I thought, let me just create some videos, put them out there. When people ask, send them a link, all set. And after that, for whatever reason, I did that for a while and I didn't continue making videos for this channel for a while, but guess what? I'm back. Why? Because this subject is too important. I see people drinking themselves to death. I see people who are eating themselves to death. I see people who are not exercising themselves to death. And I'm not saying go out and exercise like a fiend, but my God, go for a walk. It's not going to kill you. If anything, it might heal some things. It might actually hold off some things. It might actually make you look a lot younger. Since I lost weight, even before I lost weight, people couldn't believe I was as old as I am. But after I lost weight, my age went down by another 18 years in everyone's eyes. And it was already a low age. So if they thought I was, let's say 40 before, now they think I'm even younger than 40. They think I'm very young 30s at the max. And so you can get a lot. And plus also my stamina is so awesome. It is so good. You just don't know what you had until you no longer have it, or it's on its way out, or it's slowing down. And that's how I was. Things were slowing down. And I was like, wait a minute. I need to get my energy back. I need to get my va-va-va-voom back. I need to get my, stamina back. I need to, live. And I'm not going to live as long as I should if I'm not taking care of myself. So that's what I started doing. And so you're looking at, for example, what I'm going to be eating today. I have this giant bowl of yumminess. And what I have in here is what I consider the best alternative to cabbage. To lettuce, if you like super crunchy things. So I have cabbage in here. And what you have to do is simply slice the cabbage up thin enough, not too thin. I would say about 1 inch to a half an inch pieces. And if you like them long, that's fine. If you like them maybe just a couple inches long like I do, that's even better, I think. You could use green and or red cabbage, Savoy cabbage. There's a Napa cabbage. I use that sometimes. There's a lot of cabbages out there. Combine a couple different types of cabbages. It makes an amazing alternative if you like crunchy salads. And also with all the issues that they're having with lettuce nowadays, you might need to look for that alternative. Also, what do I have in here? What's this giant thing? I actually have like 2 cucumbers this size in this bowl. Of course, they're covered up, and you can see there's some by other things, such as I have some cheese, I have 2 boiled eggs, I have some pecans, bell pepper, red onion, I actually put a little bit of fresh red pepper in here. And I have some black sesame seed. And what I actually used for my dressing on this was a Caesar type dressing. And I put a drizzle of rice vinegar and a couple sprinkles of sesame oil just to make sure I get in enough of my healthy fats. And also, yes, I am let them eat cake. Yeah. Oh, yes. So what's the deal with this cake? This is the deal. This cake is not bad for you. These are the reasons why. The cake itself, the cakey part, uses like less than half the sugar of a regular cake. Less than half. Also, the white cream that you see is a whipping cream that you would buy from your dairy area. So you buy it from the dairy. It looks as if it comes in a milk container. You put it in a bowl, and I prefer to put it in a very cold bowl. Break out your mixer and whip it until it becomes white and fluffy like this. Then you just add a fruit spread. Make sure it's a 100% fruit spread that you like. This is a strawberry fruit spread, and then we took some strawberries, cut those in half, and put them on top, just honestly more as a garnish more than anything. And you can eat probably twice this amount and still not get the calories that you would have in a regular piece of cake. So good, satisfying, satiating. If you just need, like, you know, if you're doing a modification and you're like, oh my God, I need something. Okay, well, don't go crazy eating the regular super fat, super sugared up cake. You know, think about things that you could do as an alternative that would be as satisfying. And just because I felt as if I'm not getting enough potassium because I haven't eaten a banana in a long time, yeah, there's a banana. And if I get super hungry, another modification that I'll make, which I doubt if I'm going to get hungry eating this salad, I would be super shocked, and I plan on gnawing on this until it's done. But I always, as you guys know, use a backup of having some yogurt. Why? Because it gives me some dairy and some additional protein and other vitamins and nutrients that we should be getting in our diets. So yes, I have gone nowhere. I am still here. I am still moving on. I am still maintaining the gains that I've made through my weight loss and health adjustments. My dog and I went for this awesome hike yesterday out in the snow. It was amazing because it was nice and cool, but it wasn't like wind blowing. And it wasn't super sunny either, but it was just one of those perfect days for a walk. And so we're still doing what we need to do to stay healthy. If you check out my other channel, you'll see that I have some acting gigs that I've been into for a very long time. But my current project is one with Jason Momoa, who was the star of Aquaman and other shows such as Frontier. And he's doing this movie titled Sweet Girl. So I will be in that. We've already shot some of it. I return back to Pittsburgh soon to continue shooting. And then I go back again to continue shooting. So this is something that's going to be going on for the next several months. So if you want to keep up with those adventures, just join us right here over on And yes, I tape to my table and I always have this like piece of paper that I write on. And this is my eBay workroom. So that's something else you'll learn about on this channel. I always write some sentiments about things that, I feel, and when I say that we will be lottery winners, we're lottery winners in the game of life. So thank you so much for tuning in. Remember that your health is your wealth, and without your health, you have absolutely nothing. Be well and stay tuned.